Hey folks, I just wanted to show you a quick way to create a scan to identify stocks that had a bullish outside day. So what exactly is a bullish outside day? When it takes out one end of the previous bar, and then on the same day takes out the other end, which is the high of the previous bar as well. So this is basically a bullish pattern, and so the current bar in a way engulfs the previous bar. So a simple way to create this scan is by going into your scan, and this is an example on the ThinkorSwim platform, but you can create a similar scan on whatever platform that you end up using. So in this case, I'm actually looking for stocks that have an average volume of over 800,000, stocks that have an ATR of 1.5. ATR is nothing but the average true range, or the difference between the high and the low of a stock for averaged over the last 14 days. And finally, here's what I've done in terms of defining the criteria for a, a bullish bar, right? And you can sort of read it at leisure, and you can, write similar code for another platform that you end up using. Now, what it does, and I've already run the scan, it produces these 7 stocks, which isn't too many actually in a day. And if you go back and look at each of these stocks, you'll see another thing that's common in general, where the day range here is significantly higher than the average true range. In other words, you had a range expansion. Right, so this stock typically trades about $1.70 and traded a little over $8. And likewise for netties, you can see average true range is 7.9 and it traded 10.44. So how is this useful for day trading, etc.? So one of the things you can use it for is use it for the following day as well. In other words, you already established an outside day, which is a bullish pattern. And what you can do for tomorrow, Monday, is look for a continuation on each of these stocks. Now, if they take out the high of Friday, in case of Micron, say 61.57, it takes out the high, then you can enter a long trade, which is something that I plan doing for each of these stocks. And then I can set the stop loss to very close to my buy point, right? So maybe a few cents, but you guys can decide based on your risk profile what is an appropriate stop loss for you. So that was just a quick tutorial on how you can create scans and look for bullish patterns. Thank you.